Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And this video is me showing you how I make pizza at home. And this is it, in case you're wondering. And I've started eating it because I could not wait. So yummy. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you at the end of the video. So to start with, these are the ingredients that I'm using for this pizza recipe. This is the pizza crust, cheese, and then this is mushroom, pizza sauce, ricotta cheese, and more cheese right here. This is the Gizzard cooking with all the sauce. You can use any sauce of your choice. This is the pizza pan that I'm using. I'll go ahead and sprinkle flour on it to prevent the crust from sticking to the pan. Alright, the crust is in now. Time to start adding all the toppings. The gizzard is ready, and I sliced them to smaller pieces. And the dough also is ready. That's been sitting for some minutes now. It's time to start adding the pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is in. I'll go ahead and add both cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. All the cheese is in. Mushroom is in. It's now time for the celebrants to go in. The what do you call it? Everything is in, and I added some vegetable to it. Oven has been preheated, and now I'll slide this into the oven and let it cook for, is it cook or bake? For 15 to 20 minutes. Check out the final product. Everything is ready. This is the final product. Everything is ready. Wow. Can't wait to dig in.